Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is sweetened bananas or matamis na saging. Matamis na saging is best to serve as banana con yelo, especially during summertime. Let's start by boiling water to make pandan water. When the water is boiling, then add the pandan leaves. Let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, then set it aside. Spread the softened butter to the pan or wok to prevent the sugar to stick to the pan and for added flavors also. The heat is still off. Put water, the light brown sugar, calamansi juice, and salt. Stir to dissolve the sugar and salt. While waiting the sugar mixtures to boil until form a thread, let's peel and slice the Thai bananas. After 40 minutes, when it has a lot of bubbles, that's it. It's time to add the bananas. I cook the bananas with the caramelized mixture in 15 minutes, then set it aside some for halo-halo. Then add in cooked tapioca pearl. The procedure on how to cook this is on the description below. The remaining pandan water I put in a plastic and then freeze to make it ice pandan flavor. sweetened bananas or matamis na saging. I crushed some ice to make banana con yelo. Adding more sweetened bananas with the syrup on top and evaporated milk to make it more creamer and yummy! Let's taste it! It's good! It's good! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe! Thanks for watching guys! Take care and bye!